Welcome back to the Layered channel. Imagine stepping into a garden where the sun-baked textures of the Mediterranean meet the quiet philosophy of Japanese stone balancing. This is not just landscaping, it's storytelling through earth, stone, and life. In today's journey, we'll explore how to sculpt arid zones into living art using balance, restraint, and bursts of tropical vitality. Stay with me, because what begins as dry and minimal soon transforms into something unexpectedly lush and deeply calming. Mediterranean gardens are often defined by their resilience, gravelly soils, blazing sunlight, and limited water. But what if those constraints were actually your greatest design tools? Instead of fighting the dryness, we embrace it. Picture dusty pathways, sun-bleached stones, and silvery foliage shimmering in the heat. Now hold that image, because we're about to elevate it into something far more artistic and surprising. Stone balancing isn't just stacking rocks, it's a meditative practice rooted in patience and precision. Each stone finds its equilibrium through subtle adjustments, creating gravity-defying sculptures that feel almost alive. In a Mediterranean arid garden, these structures become focal points. They command attention without overwhelming the space. But here's the twist. What happens when we pair this stillness with vibrant tropical life? At first glance, Japanese minimalism and tropical lushness seem incompatible. One whispers, the other sings. Yet, when brought together thoughtfully, they create a harmony that feels both grounded and dynamic. The arid base keeps everything controlled, while tropical ground covers add movement and color. This contrast becomes the heartbeat of your garden, subtle, yet impossible to ignore. Not all stones are created equal, especially when balance is your goal. Look for irregular shapes, varied textures, and natural weathering. These imperfections make each stack unique and visually compelling. Imagine a tall, slender rock delicately perched on a rounded base. It draws the eye upward, inviting curiosity. And just when viewers think they understand the structure, they'll notice something new. In Japanese design, what you don't include is just as important as what you do. Open gravel areas, bare soil patches, and quiet corners allow your stone sculptures to breathe. This emptiness creates anticipation. It invites viewers to pause and reflect. And just when the stillness settles in, the tropical ground covers begin to weave their magic. Now, let's introduce life into the stillness. Tropical ground covers bring softness, color, and a sense of movement. Think of low-growing plants with lush leaves spilling gently over dry soil. Their presence feels almost rebellious against the arid backdrop. But that's exactly what makes them so captivating. They transform the space without overpowering it. A successful garden isn't just seen, it's felt. Combine rough stone surfaces with smooth leaves, gritty gravel with soft foliage. This layering creates depth and intrigue. As sunlight shifts throughout the day, shadows dance across these textures, constantly changing the scene. It's a living canvas that evolves with every hour. One of the biggest challenges in arid gardening is water conservation. But here's the secret: tropical doesn't have to mean thirsty. By selecting drought-tolerant ground covers with a tropical appearance, you maintain the lush aesthetic without excessive watering. It's a smart, sustainable approach that keeps your garden thriving even in harsh conditions. Every great garden tells a story, and focal points are its key chapters. A carefully balanced stone tower surrounded by creeping greenery becomes a visual anchor. It draws viewers in, encouraging them to explore further. And just when they think they've seen it all, another composition reveals itself, keeping the journey engaging. Mediterranean sunlight is intense, and that's a gift. It highlights every curve, every edge, every leaf. Stone stacks cast long, dramatic shadows, while tropical plants catch the light in vibrant ways. This interplay creates a dynamic environment that changes from morning to evening. Your garden becomes a living performance of light and shadow. A garden should be explored, not just observed. Curving gravel paths guide visitors through the space, revealing new perspectives at every turn. As they walk, the balance of stones and the spread of greenery unfold gradually. This sense of discovery keeps the experience immersive and unforgettable. While stone balancing embodies stillness, tropical ground covers introduce gentle motion. Leaves sway in the breeze, creating a soft rustling sound that contrasts with the silence of the stones. This subtle movement adds life to the garden, making it feel more dynamic and engaging without losing its quiet essence. In arid landscapes, color is often muted. That's why the introduction of tropical hues becomes so powerful. Deep greens, hints of purple, or even flashes of yellow can transform the mood instantly. Use colors sparingly but intentionally. It should surprise the viewer, not overwhelm them. Even in a dry climate, your garden will change over time. Some plants may bloom, others may fade, and the light will shift with the seasons. These changes keep the space fresh and interesting. The stone structures remain constant, providing stability, while the plants bring evolution and renewal. Maintaining this type of garden isn't a chore, it's a creative process. Adjusting stones, trimming ground covers, and refreshing gravel becomes part of the experience. Each small change allows you to reshape the narrative of your garden. It's an ongoing dialogue between you and the landscape. There's something deeply calming about balance. The careful placement of stones, combined with the softness of plants, creates a sense of harmony that resonates emotionally. Visitors may not understand why they feel at peace, but they will. And that emotional connection is what makes your garden truly special. Even in an arid environment, life finds a way. Ground covers can attract small insects, birds, and other creatures, adding another layer of interaction. These subtle movements bring the garden to life, making it feel like a living ecosystem rather than a static display. No two gardens should look the same. Your choice of stones, plants, and layout reflects your personality. Maybe you prefer taller stone stacks for drama or denser ground covers for lushness. Whatever your style, make it your own. This personal touch turns a beautiful garden into a meaningful one. As we step back and take in the full picture, we see more than just a garden, we see a fusion of philosophies, climates, and aesthetics. Mediterranean resilience meets Japanese mindfulness, softened by tropical vitality. It's a space that invites reflection, inspires creativity, and challenges expectations. And now the question is, how will you bring this balance into your own garden?